I'm doing a maintenance on this 3-phase RTU. These are the compressor contactors. If you look in here, see that contact is disengaged. If you look in here, it kind of looks like it's pulled in. And when you go to check, power's off right now, but when you go to check, push this in, it feels normal. This motor start's not tripped, this one is. And this feels like it's partly stuck, pulled in. So I'm gonna check the compressor, but that's very likely why that motor started tripped. When you check across the contacts, we've actually got a path from this contact from the top to the bottom. Check the other two. Don't have anything. Oh well, so the contact right here is stuck closed. It can't pull out all the way, or it's got something burnt in there maybe. It's creating a path that way. So when the unit's not calling for this compressor, it's sending the wrong voltage to this compressor, I bet.